Okay, taking a look at the kitchen space here. This island, right now, these are drawer fronts. This was going to be the cabinet that looked like drawer fronts, but it opened up as a door. So right now, these are drawer fronts. Sounds like you want to do away with that little hidey space. Drawer fronts, a door on top. I can just show it to you this way. Drawer fronts, door, or drawer, and then more drawer fronts. So the waterfall granite would come straight down, mitered right here, and just drop straight down on the sides. So the sides of these cabinets are unfinished. And then we've got, this was just going to be open space back here with no storage. Walnut paneling on the back, and then the granite would end here. So you have a granite side from here to here on both sides, and then a foot overhang on the back. So if I'm hearing you correctly, you're thinking about doing a foot overhang on the front, which you can do, but the issue is when you pull this drawer open, you've got a foot of countertop to clear before you can get to that drawer. So these drawers are 22 inches deep. So when you pull it out, you're only going to see about 10 inches of drawer. The rest is going to be under the granite. This island here, the satin brass columns, the walnut shelf under here, and then this is the desk area that I just increased in height. So this height will be the same as all these other heights in here. So this is the one in question. Just let me know what you're wanting to do with that. Thanks.